we are a new state formed 10 years ago. In 2014, our state was formed. And since that day, there was a tremendous rapid urbanization in the state of Telangana because of huge infusement of capital. Capital expenditure has grown many a times. In fact, statistics suggest that 356% increase over capital expenditure in these 10 years in urban areas of Telangana. Close to 1,21 crores have been planned and invested in this great state, and it is going to be a role model for our country. We have great advantage geographically also, and in terms of human resources. We boast of the greatest IT pool in the country, bright engineers, greatest companies, construction companies of India, and bright minds, and you are part of those bright minds. So I really welcome you all as a local representative of this place. We have seen tremendous growth in this 16 months. Our staff is working, and we have the fullest cooperation from the administration sitting in Hyderabad, and our Chief Minister, and our Secretary MAUD and other staff. This, as our Secretary has said, we have graduated from municipality to corporation, and the benefits of graduation we are already seeing, experiencing. We have tried very hard to convince our Honorable CM to make this a corporation. The disadvantages of a municipality being upgraded to a corporation is the mindset of the people lies between a glorified village, somewhere between a glorified village and a pure urban settlement. It is very difficult to provide infrastructure to them and ask them to cooperate with us in maintaining our infrastructure, in maintaining hygiene conditions, in maintaining our roads, drainages, not to clog them. So there are a lot of challenges. I hope all those challenges will be met with your help and cooperation, with your suggestions. Telangana as a state is showcasing a tremendous growth. We are building a fourth city. We are building IT cities. We are building a future city. Hyderabad being the center of Telangana state, and in whichever direction you go, after 250 kilometers we touch the state border. We have got great natural resources. We have got mighty rivers, beautiful forests. Our urban infrastructure is #1 in India. We have got the road connectivity. We have got everything that we can aspire for. But what we lack is, we have to strengthen our urban infrastructure, our cities, our municipalities. Your contribution lies in strengthening our cities and changing the mindset of the people here, changing the mindset of the officers. You give us good solutions and we are ready to implement them. We are asking for central help also. We are coordinating with central government officials. We are trying to take maximum advantage of the policies that are being initiated by the central government. And we thank our Secretary ma'am for putting Mahbub Nagar also in the Urban Challenge Series Fund, and we hope we get sufficient funds here to Mahbub Nagar Corporation, and we live to the expectations of our Honorable CM to make this Mahbub Nagar Corporation as one of the best corporations. We require your support, we require your innovative technologies, and we require your blessings also. Thank you very much.